Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Road to Percona Live. I'm Matt Yankovic, the head of open source strategy here at Percona, or the HOSS for short, and we're here to talk to Andreas Scherbaum. Andreas is a longtime community member, and he has two talks at Percona Live. One of them I am super excited about. The other one I'm also excited about, but not as super excited. They're both great talks. It's just one I think has something that's near and dear to my heart, and that is advanced data types. Andreas, I know me personally, I have seen so many people design their schemas and choose the wrong data types, and it causes so many problems. So maybe give us a little bit of a preview of the advanced data types talk you're going to be presenting at Percona Live.
The advanced data type talk actually a follow-up talk to another talk I have. So I started this series with a talk about basic data types in Postgres. And I figured out, okay, that's good for many people, but there's more we can teach people. And that's why the advanced data types talk came around. So we talk about, you can do JSON in Postgres very well. You can do XML. Up to the point you can create your own data types in Postgres. So I actually have an example, very basic example, but I show you how you can create your own data type in Postgres and use it for your own applications. Postgres is that extendable.
Yeah, and I've seen the power of choosing the right and wrong data type. I actually do some performance tuning demos where I will switch all of the primary keys to a varchar from an int, and we'll watch the performance tank. To show how powerful that can be. So that one I think is going to be super valuable for the folks out there at Percona Live. Now, the other talk you have is also very interesting because of the market. Right now, we have companies that have more and more databases that are being deployed every day. In fact, I just ran across a survey that says more than 40% of companies now have more than 1,000 databases in their environments that they're supporting in production, which means how do you manage that? And you're going to be talking a little bit about managing Postgres with Ansible, which is one of those tools that really helps with the orchestration of the database. Maybe give us a little preview of that talk.
This talk is based on my love for automation. So everything I can automate, I do automate. My tool of choice is Ansible. I know a couple other tools as well, like Chef and Puppet, but when I have a choice, I go with Ansible. And Ansible these days has very good support for managing Postgres, all kinds, like configuring the configuration, creating databases, roles, indexes, tables, whatsoever. You can do all of this with Ansible. And my talk gives you a little bit of introduction what Ansible is, what it can do. So ad hoc modus, and we go over to playbooks, how you can use this as roles, but all is the basics. And then we go into how you can actually manage a database. And along in this talk, we create a database, we create roles, we create tables, and with demos or kind of demos, I show how you can do this in Postgres with Ansible.
Awesome. Well, Andreas, thank you for coming to Percona Live and presenting these two topics. These will fit in great. We've got hundreds of topics across all different database types, but our Postgres community is really strong. We're really looking forward to having you there and helping contribute to it. We hope everybody listening will come out to Percona Live May 16th through 18th and check out the show and maybe talk with Andreas live.
Thanks for having me here, and see you in Austin.